Very good evening guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Videos. Hope everyone is doing good. So today we are going to see some amazing trick on Google Chrome. So let's start. Okay, today's trick is going to be how to increase the download speed on Google Chrome. So to do that you need to launch the Google Chrome application in your mobile, and then you can go to this URL section and then type Chrome. Just type Chrome and then semicolon and then 2 slashes and then type flags here. So just click enter. So once you open this URL you can see this interface here, and there is a warning also. It says experimental features ahead. So by enabling these features you could lose browser data or compromise your security or privacy. So you need to note this point. So you go to the search flags and then type parallel downloading. So once you click this parallel downloading you can see it here, right? Enable parallel downloading to accelerate the download speed. So you click this and then you need to enable this. So once you enable this you just relaunch the Chrome browser, and then you can see the considerable increase in download speed in your Google Chrome. So that's the today's trick. So I hope you like the trick guys. So this trick is currently working on Android only. It is not working on iOS. I just checked it.